first step is to push the button on the roller cover to send it all the way towards the front of the vehicle so that you can push in the clutch so that now the roller cover has free range of motion without needing to use the motor. Now, using the 2.5mm Allen key bit, undo the 2 screws which will bring down the little hatch there, revealing the motor and the insides of the EGR Rolltrac, and make sure you do it to both sides. Now you're going to have to fully close the EGR Rolltrac so that it is fully covered. So you're going to have to squeeze in there in the dark, and now you'll be able to see all of the dirt and grime and stuff that has been caught up in that EGR Rolltrac container. And then now you'll be able to get all that stuff out using the hose. And if there's any big pieces, make sure you grab them and just chuck them out of the car. When you're finished with that, it's recommended that you let it dry over a period of time. However, I am very impatient, so do as I say, not as I do. In this case, what I did was I just went and dried it with a towel and then gave it a good blowout with the air blower so that there wasn't any water on the little swirls where I'm about to add some silicone spray in a second. Now it's time to spray that swirl that the cover coils up into. I'm going to spray that with the plastic compatible silicone spray, and then when I'm finished with that, I'm also going to hit the tracks on the side of the tub to make sure it's moving smoothly. With that done, you need to engage the clutch by pulling that little white plastic tab back out, and you also need to bolt those little hatches back in. And then now we are ready to put the Hilux into party mode. So we need to recalibrate the top because we've been messing around with it. So the way you do that is you just hold the 2 buttons on the EGR Rolltrac. You just hold them for about 10 seconds. It'll do a little song and dance, and then when it's finished, it'll be fully calibrated and ready to be used as normal. And now you have fully serviced your EGR Rolltrac.